To recover deleted photos and videos on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G, simply launch the Photos app, and then in the Photos app, ensure you select the Albums tab, and then scroll down and find Recently Deleted. So tap on Recently Deleted, and here you should see all the current or the photos that you've deleted, and they are going to be saved here if they are not older than 30 days. So when the 30 days elapse, they're going to be deleted permanently from your device. So if that time has not elapsed, simply select the photos and videos that you want to restore, and then at the bottom here should appear the restore option. So simply select restore, and then confirm that you want to restore, and then once you go back to the album section or the photo section, you should see that those photos have been restored to your gallery or your Photos app. That's basically how to recover deleted photos and videos on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.